Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the Andre Walker Hair Gold System. They sent me a few of their favorite products and I can't wait to share them with you guys. So I'm starting off on really dry old hair and I'm just going to take some time to get it all really wet and ready for washing. Now I'm going to go in with the Ultimate Moisture Sulfate Free Shampoo. It's paraben and sulfate free, and I really loved how it lathered up. For it to be sulfate free, I feel like it got a lot of lather, and that just makes me feel like my hair is getting cleaner. So I really did like that about this shampoo. After rinsing out the shampoo, I went in with the TKO Ultimate Moisture Conditioner, which I accidentally deleted the clip of me putting it in, but I sat with that for about 30 minutes and with a plastic cap, and this is just showing me taking it down and combing it out or detangling my curls. I like to do that when the conditioner's kind of had time to set in because I feel like that's when my curls are the easiest to manipulate and comb through. The conditioner did a great job with slip. And it smells really good, so I liked it. I was impressed. So after I've rinsed my conditioner out, this is my hair product free, and what I'm doing for this review is I'm just using the products by Andre Walker Hair. I'm not going to use anything else. So right now I'm going in with the Beautiful King Styling Cream Jelly, and I'm putting that all over the section. The directions say to make sure every strand is fully covered, so I am applying a generous amount so that I'm giving a fair review based on what the directions say. I'm just putting this jelly throughout my hair, and I'm just going to do a braid out. That's my basic go-to style, and just to see how well these products work. After detangling my hair, I'm going to just do 2 big braids on either side of my head for my regular everyday braid out. Lastly, I'm going to leave the ends unbraided and wrap them in my satin-lined rollers. My hair usually takes a really long time to dry, so I'm going to wear this style to work and take it out the next day. So it's the next day, it's been 24 hours since I braided up my hair, and now I am taking them down to see my results. And as you can see, I am pleasantly surprised and impressed by these results. My hair was extremely shiny and moisturized, and I'm not gonna lie, I kind of loved it. For me not to have been using any other products except for these, I'm very impressed. I didn't use any oils, I didn't use anything that I would usually use, and these were the results that I got. So I'm very impressed with this line. Thank you so much to Andre Walker for sending these products my way. See you in my next video. Bye.